Today we are going to talk about planning the future. When MFD was a small company, it was possible to take everything as it goes, to adapt quickly to every circumstance. When MFD started to reach a certain size, it needed a formal plan of action. The number of people involved in the decision process was larger, and the investments at stake were higher. Investments meaning the number of strategic alternatives that needed to be carefully evaluated before being pursued. For example, at some point, MFD was facing three main strategic directions. It could further grow its markets with its existing products, it could expand geographically to three new regions, or it could expand the product range by adding fleece jackets for clubs and schools. In order to choose between all these alternatives, it was good to translate them into financial plans and examine the critical questions. What value could be generated by these strategic alternatives? How much money they required? And how much return they could generate? The idea of financial planning is to express the future in monetary terms, to see what the company will look like 1, 3, or 5 years ahead. These plans are used for 6 main reasons. 1. To look ahead and decide which strategic alternative to take. 2. To control the evolution of the company with benchmarks. 3. To motivate people with stretch but realistic objectives. 4. To help evaluate a business and its management. 5. To facilitate coordination. And finally, 6. To learn about the company and its environment.